script before we start, like this video and subscribe for more app updates and tutorials. If you're trying to download the Rapido Captain app on iPhone in 2025 and can't find it on the App Store, here's the important update. Important Update 2025. The Rapido Captain app is not available on the Apple App Store. Currently, it is only available for Android devices through the Google Play Store. That means you cannot install it on iPhone. It is not supported on iOS. There is no official iPhone version. Check how to download Rapido Captain, correct way. If you want to use the Rapido Captain app, you must 1. Use an Android phone. 2. Open the Google Play Store. 3. Search for Rapido Captain. 4. Tap Install. 5. Log in or sign up as a captain. Don't try this. Don't download APK files on iPhone. Don't trust third-party websites claiming iOS versions. Don't change your App Store region. It won't work. There is no official iOS version as of 2025. Final summary. Rapido Captain equals Android only. Download from Google Play Store. Not available for iPhone. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and comment got it below.